Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how a manager creates and manages task assignments for their respective department's employees. Using a manager or the global administrator user account. Select Tasks, Time Log, and Requests on the left menu bar. Then select the Manage Tasks and Projects feature option. To create a new task or project assignment, click the toggle switch just below the task assignment view title on the left to display the entry fields. Click the Add button if there is an existing task assignment displayed for editing to create a new task or project assignment. If already clear, then proceed to enter the title of the task assignment in the title field. Select the department from the Department Drop List field. If the manager manages more than one department, then those departments will be available for selection. After selecting the department, all active employees in that department will be displayed in the Assign and Remove Employees list section. If you would like to associate the task with a category, you can select any previously created category for the department in the category drop list. You can also create a new category for the department by clicking the Add and Edit Category button. In the subsequent Add and Edit Category dialog, for the respective department, enter the description of the category. Then proceed to click the Save button. The newly created category will be added to the Department Category List section. Add as many categories as needed in this dialog for the respective department. This is where you can also edit a category by selecting it in the list, such as checking it as obsolete, as to not have it appear in the category drop list. You cannot delete a category if it has already been applied to a task assignment. If you would also like to associate the task with a subcategory, you can select any previously created subcategory for that department in the subcategory drop list. You can also create a new subcategory for that department by clicking the Add and Edit Subcategory button. In the subsequent Add and Edit Subcategory dialog, for the respective category, enter the description of the subcategory. Then proceed to click the Save button. The newly created subcategory will be added to the Department Subcategory List section. Add as many subcategories as needed in this dialog for the respective department. This is where you can also edit a subcategory by selecting it in the list, such as checking it as obsolete, as to not have it appear in the subcategory drop list. You cannot delete a subcategory if it has already been applied to a task assignment. Enter any applicable details of the task assignment in the task description box. The date created field will automatically get populated once you save the task assignment for the first time. Select a status in the status drop field, which is required. You may enter a target finish date which is not required. The date completed field for the task can be completed by the manager or the employee in their task assignment view, which is shown in another tutorial. Proceed to select the employee or employees in the Assign and Remove Employees section that will be responsible to complete the task or project. Then proceed to click the Save button. The newly created task assignment will appear as a card view in the task assignment list. If you initially set the status to In Progress, since the default list is set to initially display in progress, you can toggle the card view to a list view if you prefer by checking the box Toggle List View, which you can also search if you have many task assignments. You can also sort ascending or descending by a column field by selecting it as a toggle. The default list displays in progress as per status. You can change this in the filter by drop list. You can edit a task by clicking the Edit section on the card view. Or the line on the list view. Note: you cannot delete a task assignment once it has already been assigned to employees. You must remove the assigned to employees before deleting. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.